In this video, I'll show you how to post a TikTok for everyone to see. So ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification for lots of educational content like this. Now, what I mean basically is how you can basically post, let's say, a video here on TikTok for everyone to see, right? So what we're gonna do now, this is gonna be a full-time practical example. So you're gonna click on this upload, right? So because this is basically a full detailed step-by-step tutorial, click on the select video. Then I want to use a video as an example, right? But I'm not going to upload that video. I'm going to click on this. Once it has opened up, yeah. So if you want to upload the video for everyone to see, what you're going to do right now, after you have changed the description of the video, right? After you have changed the description, you can still change the cover. You can add your location and everything you want to add, right? Then what you're going to do right now, you can see, okay, who can watch this video? Everyone, friends, only you. So you're gonna set this to everyone, right? If you have set this to everyone, once you post this video, everyone can be able to see this video, right? So this is basically how you can post a TikTok for everyone to see. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm gonna see you guys in the very next one.